Hello viewers, I am Praveen Kumar, the editor-in-chief of the news portal, the OpenView. Today, I have this in my mind that since we have been here with this portal for the last now more than 3 years, and the global viewership that we have achieved so far during the pandemic time has crossed over 2 lakh, meaning thereby that our news portal, the OpenView, is not having viewership in India only, but we have a global viewership. That is, we have viewership in USA, America, Canada, Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, almost in all the countries, major countries, we have our viewership, which has crossed now over 2 lakh. The easiest way to reach our portal is that on your browser, may it be Chrome, may it be Mozilla, or any browser which you use, you can type in the openview.in, www.theopenview.in, and you will see our news website, where you will able to appreciate the content. The basic purpose of my this introduction is that you must visit this website, the openview.in. It will be very perceptive. It will give a lot of quality content to you, which you would relish. So kindly visit this news website and see your choice there. I would also tell you that our news website, the openview.in, www.theopenview.in, is connected fundamentally with all the important social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, then Tumblr, LinkedIn, every platform. On Facebook, you will find our page from where I am presently presenting myself, the OpenView. This is our page on Facebook, and when you visit here, you can see the news that is published in our news website, and you will also find that the live programs that we did, that we do, and we have done over the years. Then you can visit our YouTube channel also. When you go to the YouTube channel, there you can find our channel in the name of The Open View. You can visit that channel and subscribe to it. Then similarly on Twitter also you will find, you can search for the Open View and you will see us there also. Almost we are connected to all the social media platforms. Now we started a few years back, and now our news website, the Open View News, is now building up. Soon we will start interviewing the important personality, and through them we will present before the public the issues of public importance. To start with this channel, the underlying principle was that since now long time, now almost 7 years, that the fake concept of presenting news, disseminating information to the public started. And you know that when we do not present the true information before the public, it creates conflicts. You will find that because of the shoot of this fake information, there will be no public opinion. And when there is no public opinion, then democracies fail. This is the truthful information and the creation of public opinions is the heart of the democracy. And this is unfortunate in India that the mainstream media, whose responsibility is too high and who is called the fourth pillar of democracy, has failed in its duty, in its obligations, with the result that we are on the verge of annihilation of our democratic system. So, keeping in view the mainstream media which failed in its obligation towards the public, towards the masses, towards the people of India, it was in my mind to start a small information channel which is now before you in the name of the Open View. So my aim is to present excellent journalism, the true information as we get with our eyes, naked eyes, what we see with our eyes. We would like to present that as it is. We don't want to twist that. We don't want to give any color to what we have seen. So all these objects in my mind, I started this news media, social news media, this website. Now, gradually, it is growing now, and hopefully, it will grow more. So, I like that all my friends, all the viewers, they should visit this news website and they should see, they should analyze, they should comment so that we could improve as much as possible. And it can happen only if you visit this website, if you criticize this website, if you pass comments on this, only then we can improve much more as we are now. So today it was in my mind to briefly introduce my this news website www.theopenview.in. In future also we will try to give our best because we believe in excellence in journalism. We just abstain from what is the mainstream media is doing for the last more than 6 years now, presenting such things which are not required to be presented before the public and distracting the public, distracting the public opinion, creating wedges among the people. So we have to refrain from it. Only then as a democracy we can survive and help our masses, because it is the bridge. Media information is the bridge between the public, between the masses and the government. What government does, you can come to know only if media fulfill its obligations, its duties, and tell public what your government is doing for you, whether it is good for you or not. So media is the platform where public opinions are created. And when there will be no public opinion, when there will be conflict in public opinions, then it will definitely helps those politicians, those political parties who wish, who desire such things to create in the masses, because these are helpful to them. So be analytic. At present, you should be very clear that you are not getting the true information. And this is why you are suffering now. Because there is no information. There is no truthful information around you, floating around you. So, the masses are suffering, the nation is suffering because of the conflict in public opinions. The opinion today, which is mostly been created, is based on the fake, the dissemination of fake news in the society. I would also request you to visit all those social media news platforms like The Wire. You can visit The Wire. This is one of the authentic news source for the society. You visit our channel, our news website. You will find, though we have less resources than others, but we are trying to collect those to collect that information which is authentic and which is based on truth, on facts. The more resources we will have more access to the information. Till then, whatever possible is, we are doing on our news website with less, meager, insufficient resources. So, you visit all these social media platforms, news channels, The Wire, The Laundry, the Ravish Kumar's mainstream media, especially at 9, his prime time program. You must visit, watch this program, because you will get 101% authentic information from him. So, rest of the channels you will find based on fake news information, colorful information. It is colored by the news channels to benefit few politicians, few people. So it is for the masses to analyze the information and see which information is perfect, based on facts, based on truth. This will help you, this will help your generations to come. Because if we will continue to believe in fake information, fake news, you will distract, you will destroy your societies. Therefore, please access the true information. I have named some of the channels, some of the news websites which you can visit and find truthful information. And I am sure one thing which I want to clear with you is that the trend which we are seeing, which we are witnessing today, if it continues like this, in due course of time you will see that the social media platforms will replace the mainstream media. Mainstream media will stand nowhere, and the social media platforms, they will step in the mainstream. People, masses would prefer to go to the social media platforms rather than the so-called today's mainstream media. Because whatever channel, news channel you open in mainstream, you will find one common thing among all the channels, that they try to spread fear among the people, which is very dangerous for the democratic system. I have left watching the mainstream media now since long time now. I rather watch one program which is presented by Ravish Kumar on NDTV India Hindi at 9, because at least this person, Ravish Kumar, he shows the concern for the society, for the nation, country, for its people. And this is the job of the media, which he is fulfilling. I appreciate that. So it is for you to decide whether to continue with the fake news, watching fake news, or you want information which is perfect, which is true. And which does not create hatred, wedge among the masses. So, by concluding this, at the end, I will once again request my friends, please visit the OpenView, the openview.in, www.theopenview.in news website. Watch it, see it, analyze it, comment on it, and we will appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day.